mountain. So yesterday also I was like, oh, itna pass hai. I want to go here.
Thank you. Yeah, you can just close. Okay, tell me. This jacket for to not feel cold or this safety jacket also? Okay, this for cold. ऊपर लगेगा ठंडा? हाँ. Excuse me. हाँ जी. Okay. Thank you. Shades. I can communicate with this. Yeah, it's fine. Whatever works. Thank you.
India 5. What's your name, man?
Dr. Racha.
Dr. Richard.
रचा RITHA या आपने क्या क्या बोला?
मैं वो टावर से बात कर रहा हूँ स्टार्टअप.
So we have a route defined.
Yes. Clear, prep.
Is that okay?
Yes, yes.
This India Lima is call sign of this aircraft. India Lima.
India Lima.
India Lima.
India Lima.
Yes. Yeah, it's very nice today.
Yeah.
Just in case if you get scared somehow, hold here. Okay. Let's go. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your good name?
Ajay.
Ajay.
Ajay. तो पहली बार आई मैम नेपाल.
Yes. All very
फेवा लेक. अभी वापस आते टाइम में.
Yeah. I really want to learn aviation.
मतलब कहाँ रहती हैं?
Delhi.
दिल्ली. अब आसपास नहीं है फ्लाइंग क्लब.
नहीं है. Time होना चाहिए ना.
हाँ ये भी है, टाइम तो चाहिए.
Over few years.
3 महीने का समय मिलता है तो यहाँ पे भी आ सकते हैं.
यहाँ भी आ सकते हैं.
Amrung Himal, Annapurna 2, Annapurna 4, Annapurna 3, Fishtail, and Annapurna 1, that's Annapurna 3. And valley is called Seti Valley.
Okay.
Because Seti River is, this is the origin point of Seti River.
Okay. Here it is 2, that is 3.
Yes, 2 and 4 are together.
Okay.
That's 4.
Yes.
It's very hard to see this side.
Yes.
But it will be beautiful without sun. Yes.
Oh wow. This is all 4, na? This is 4.
This is 4. And this side is 3. Now 5.
This is Fishtail.
Yes, that's mistake. I think you are a good photographer.
You think so?
Yeah.
I'm just trying my hand. Do you take a flight almost every day?
Yeah. It depends on customers.
So which is the best time to fly?
It's April to April, May.
Yeah, and timing of the day? Which time?
Morning is better.
Morning is better. What's the last time of the day that you take the flight?
We fly till 11 and then
11,
we
right?
close. It depends on cloud, ma'am. Now it starts
Yeah, yeah,
building.
yeah.
So after 2-3 hours will be closed.
All closed, na? This is 1.
That's one. That's
one.
south.
That's south.
Now look from this side. It's like 2 peaks of fish tail. It's like
Yeah.
tail of fish.
That one, right?
Yeah. So that is why it is called fish tail. It's like tail
Yeah.
of fish. Blood.
Yeah, wo light has come, na?
Now it's time to go back.
Okay. Bye bye.
Pokhara, India Lima.
Bye.
Mardi.
Yeah. This is for my father. He's like, where do people stay when they go up?
There are many hotels.
Yes.
It's 6 stay to ABC. 6 stay track.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
You go
Experience
through
is
this, na, so you don't feel like going
Yeah.
trekking.
It's
You
more
get the
easy.
view.
Yeah.
Where did you take your training from?
I learned here, same club.
Acha,
We have training school as well. I learned in same aircraft.
it's same aircraft. I wanted them to come with this also. They were like, no, we are very frightened. This is like once in a lifetime
Yes, ma'am, yes.
experience, right?
एक बार करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल करना चाहिए, है ना? love mountains. So in India also, whenever I get time, I go to Himachal and everything, and I always prefer to take a room which has like the mountain view.
But-
I wake up seeing that again. Here also I have a mountain view room. Like I can see the mountain from my window. I love mountains. So yesterday also I was like, oh, itna pass hai. I want to go here. So they were like, no, don't go on this flight. So I will tell you, I have booked the flight tomorrow also because we'll be going back to Kathmandu today. So we have taken that Everest flight.
Mountain flight. Up there.
That I am taking mom and dad. I'm like, that is just a flight. You can sit in that, right? So then they were like, when you're doing it, why are you doing this? I'm like, this is Annapurna range. That is Everest range. I want to see both.
That's a little bit different.
Yeah, different. They're like, do it next time. I'm like, okay, you just come to a place once. Right? But yes, I will come back to Nepal. It is very pretty. I mean, I will come back. I'll take a flight directly to maybe Pokhara and just stay here for a day or
More
two.
days.
Yeah, relax, do nothing.
Winter time is more good.
Yeah, I'll come in October maybe.
Yeah.
That is a good time, right?
Yes.
How is it in December?
December is also okay.
Because my birthday falls on last week of the December. So like,
You can take
usually you plan
holidays
your
and- yeah.
weekends around your birthdays. Yeah.
Yeah, that
It's
will be
New
good.
Year actually.
Now we are approaching statue of Shiva.
Yeah. Bumti Court.
Pomdikot.
Came yesterday here.
Not be scared, I think. No reaction.
Wow. I will tell you why my reactions are like these. Because this video my parents are going to see and they're already so scared.
अच्छा समझ में आया.
So I am like, now they will see and they were like, we told you not to do it. And you still did it. So I did paragliding at Manali. So there also is like you go to that cliff and then you come here. There is also a lake, Bias Lake, like this, and then they take you around.
Tupa.
So she's my elder sister. So then she's like, oh God, mom and dad are going to kill me. I'm taking you for paragliding and this and that. Okay, so we went there. My guide also, in mid of the range, he was like, ma'am, do you want to try? I'm like, absolutely yes. Okay, so we just went doing here and there, niche, upar, here. Okay, then finally that video came in. So we started seeing. So my sister's video went like, for those 15-20 minutes, whatever that time was, she just like, you know, looking here and there. And my video is like, I am constantly talking. Okay, she's like, who goes up in the air and keeps talking, right? बोली डर नहीं लग रहा था तुम्हें? मैंने बोला no, I was enjoying it much. So what you did, like I was loving it, but then I was like, oh God, this video my mom and dad are going to see, and they're like, we are not letting you go again. So and
Dewa India 5 504. Complete 504 nana India 5. Himalayan Airlines
Yeah.
go to China,
yeah,
and now Fly Dubai is planning to operate from here.
okay. Because India's flight doesn't come here.
Not in Pok. Not much. It's nice.
Yeah. No. Because I spoke because I wanted to imbibe.
Yeah, if you don't speak, it's too boring. If passengers
Yes,
don't
yes,
speak,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
it's
yes, yes.
too boring.
I wanted to keep it that much that we speak also. Now I wanted to keep it in my memory because see,
Yeah.
photographs are different. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay, fine. Photographs you can see, but what instills in your head, no, forever. Right. I still remember the views that I have had at different places, and they still come in my mind. I'm like, oh God, they were so surreal and beautiful. Right. And also, I would love to, you know, sharing this experience with you. So it's important for me to have that rapport with you. Right.
Yes,
Many flights today.
yeah, another pilot is on leave.
Oh wow, that's great.
Absolutely. I mean, this is one of my lifetime experience, and you made it amazing. I like the up and down that you did. हाँ जी, प्लीज आप ही खोल दीजिए. Yes. पहले यहीं से क्या? I love the flight. बंदे बैठे हैं?